Hello friends, a very good day to all of you. Today I'm going to share a very simple air fryer recipe with you all. The other day I went out for shopping and I found this purple yam in the market, which is known as kand in Hindi. This vegetable has really lot of nutritious value and it's loaded with health benefits. You can include it in your daily diet. You can add it to the curries, make snack and even make halwa with it. But today we are going to fry the thin slices in the air fryer. You just sprinkle a little bit of salt, black pepper or maybe some cumin powder and enjoy the crispy, nice, healthy snack. This is the purple yam known as kand in Hindi. Once you cut out the slice, you will see the deep purple color inside. You can use it in many ways, add it to the curries, make snacks. Today we are going to fry it in the air fryer. We'll cut out thin round slices. You should immediately put them in the water to avoid discoloration. They might become black. So to retain the purple color, immediately put them in the water after peeling. You can also cut them into long strips like French fries, whichever way you like. Look at the thickness, very thin. These can be also served with some dip. They taste very good with any dip. Or simply just sprinkle some masalas and enjoy them. This vegetable also is added to the Gujarati dish called undiyu, which is very popular. All the peeling and slicing is done. Now remove them from the water just before you are ready to fry them. Wipe them with a kitchen tissue to remove all the moisture. You can use a paper towel or a cloth napkin. Dab it so that all the moisture is gone. Now sprinkle little salt on them and spray little oil. Repeat the same process on the other side as well. It's really very delicious and a healthy snack. Now it's ready to go into the air fryer. Spray some oil on the air fryer plate and line them up in a single layer. Do not overlap them. If you have too many roundels, then you can repeat the process second time, but do not overlap them. They will not get cooked uniformly and they might get stuck to each other. Now again you can spray a little more oil on them to get a crispy texture. Insert the basket and here I am choosing the French fries option from the preset menu, which is 185C and 16 minutes. Halfway through, open the basket and turn the side of the slices. Put it back and it starts from where it was stopped automatically. In between, keep checking as the time may vary depending on the thickness of the slices. If they are thin, they will be done in 12 to 13 minutes. Check by inserting a fork. They are perfectly done. Dish out and try to serve them immediately because they are nice and crispy, and the air fryer snacks always tend to become harder when they are kept for a longer time. So you must immediately serve them as soon as they are out from the air fryer to enjoy the crunchiness. Sprinkle some black pepper and some roasted cumin powder. You can also sprinkle any other spice mix of your choice, whatever you like. And the crispy crunchy snack is ready for you to enjoy. You can have it just like that, the crunchy munchy slices, or serve them along with some dip. Makes a great tea time snack. Let's check it out. It's soft inside, but the outer layer is crunchy. Did you hear that crunchiness? Too good. It's really very, very delicious. Such simple snacks are always welcome any day. Thanks for watching. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out as well, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.